Hello guys, how are you guys doing? This is your girl, your one and only Ivie Eriyo, the leader that lead others follow, the leader that lead other leaders, the leader that lead to wisdom, aka Asaboro sister BG. Please share as you are coming. Please share this video as you are coming. Please share. It's a quick one anyway. And this message is to it's okay akabama very you it's okay dausa anyway sha mo tate me yan wo yan ti wa akabama abi o get emi lo gbe am message na it's okay dausa. You know why me you saga? Tell me na we saga na me abolo gbe wa na nu na wo wa mu nu ni. Onu na we enegwe va tunya. Onu na wo social media na gi we na gi we na gba. Ma bege ene ma gyo ma ban. Mu mi ma bege e problem na ma yo boys. Na resi yo ma gbe kekan no ma yo boys wu o mi o mai. I beg make everybody consider mona can learn from this upgoing whatever late audio and reading. I don't know this person for anywhere, but although when the woman matter affect come social media, we hear and small, I understand. But when I share so that the corners, it's been a while. Mama, I greet you, how you there? It's been a while. I just want to talk a little about this woman, this late. I don't really know her. I don't know anything about her. But I know the time where from Victor first saga at that time, good and fine. I don't know what happened. I never pay interest. But the video where it's okay do today, when I yesterday she do, I just come for work since I always sleep. I always get up. My body no gree me. My body no gree me. See, if you not see me say I sit down like this, you now know say something is wrong somewhere. Now you go come make me carry seat, come sit down. Say, let's talk this matter. You know, we are learning from individual. I tell una now say this matter, I say me kuna enter house. She or the already now don't enter grave. Like say she enter house, she for no enter grave. Okay. The soul of the departed rest in peace and my condolences to the family. I don't just know her. Agwege no wune and no wune yogi Johnny no giveri. You understand? For like to use this thing for my own dialect, but for the benefit of those who know the year Bini, I make me want put this thing for pidgin English. I don't want to speak big English where busy people cause they say was Zena. I don't understand this one for if not for one knock for better English, but make a knock for pidgin English so that everybody go here. I know me now, I know they do saga again, and if not what they do saga, this girl, you see this speaking, this is okay, it's okay, akabama. Oh, I go just say akaba like gui. Ya we will share better problem. It's your move, boy, I don't know what problem. Yes, so a musician or who you have faith in a rota banana that or walking here. But we is okay, or the way or that feel, or that me F net, the way bonore. That's even Nigeria we bo, Ijana Hawaha. Isoke nagele ni sukoya la webo they told me paisley pop back na te appreciate that is soke isoke akabama ne paisley by now oh na gbokin oh e ken agbomuge oh ewe ken yemuge ni agbomuge okay oh they go do that for so social media president Ojoutier. They would not me warning ya we maybe option or repo. Ni kakaka bonaria na bona ya fiari ave ekereni lada egweni ni kere. Egweni ya kere ogene mata because I want to when I see aga egwe ni ya kere. But you no dollar jam from somewhere. By now, we will not recognize where they are coming from. And so we go back to and so we teraya niga, and so we teraya me, I don't give a huge, I don't give a shit, I don't give it no. Okay? So, see a woman, egbe woman. Egbe wo ni yaki una resi. It's okay na tia pressure it's okay. It's okay akaba it's okay down sa hinata. Akaba mai wa la mo no e pa la di e pa do mo run. Wa to for national peace to real run ni go run ni money. Of do ya ni me wa jomo na kabama. Understand me na. So no say na kabama na wala mo no na we ni me beta akabama na musician yo. Oni akabama we agwankan o eri soke akabama ve akabama na musician ka isoke me na tia pressure isoke ni eri na tia pay slip we pay slip na ni yala we bo of ya wo ni yala we bo 20 years oje ami aswaf in Germany slave wife am in Germany baby mama we he died the movie we ready to destroy the movie we're ready to destroy life at the movie. We here, we the movie yeke. We make na bale kanya. Which we all know Emilogbe lawa get aside. But people now know why I want to shoot mat for this matter. Now the video where she do not want to use against her. And secondly, before I go into this matter, I want to send another message. Go give Anita Shamba. Anita Shamba. I quiet don't make me stupid. You know me. If no ma go me. If no ma go me lot me. Don't bring me back to where I'm coming from. If you push me, yeah, somewhere. They want to this year, Ivoy. Ima wo next year. Igbon dinemi. Let me agbona dinemi now. Stay out of me. And this is going to be your last warning. It's not a threat. Or a geleme. Ni vieri just we are ya webo. Gonu ya mwe bogbe. Or wanu where. I want where I for let play that video now, but I don't know the phone that they use now. This sent me the video yesterday again. Anywhere where she goes, she they talk about me. Leave me alone. I tell you, say I be your nightmare, but you know they believe me. And I tell you, say you go set down your passage house. They follow me do case. You they feel and lie they talk. Uma wana Ivie Eriyo, we ga wana time. Me go my bastard me. We ga bastard me. You will not trespass. When you know my backside, you will not trespass. Stay out of me. Stay out of me. Ya never ya ni sekpe ni luleleve. No me unwero. Misa na ko shop. Motobo won't decide. We saga Anna. I want to live on my own. Leave me alone. Boru yamu, igo be yamu boni. Umatama ito yamu bogbama. And secondly, obege osie. Nyawe, I didn't vebo. I didn't hear. I warned you. Even worry about before I called. I know you know Bowo. You came to meet me recently. Am I lying when I was in Nigeria? You called me. My sister can bear me weakness. When you call, he said, those are the area number women. So please stop it already. Because when you push me more than this, you will not. We are writing one leg in the Canada. Canada will be. I mean, we are one leg in Nigeria. You will not like me. I don't say not stay away from you, sis. Imani don't let you to brag. Oh no, we oh koi hore. No matter what, stay away from me. Don't ever talk about me. I will blame you even with you. You will not like it. You will not like it. I'm telling you. Ora geled meni vieri yo. Awagbo. Awe mi di mamuwe. Ora modori bobo wada unu fiyan wa webo. Awe ama. Ikewe ama. Imewe nonya. Imewe nyanya. Or na hagene from another side. Mo so igbo hamma beto unira je. I mean no wegbe ya bran. Anita me ahian bongwe. Ba boasting. And take me €5. Me ya bongwe. It will not take me €5. I know why I keep quiet. I know you are telling me, mommy. That's why I keep quiet. And I know you're telling me that my mommy, I keep you mute. I decided to let go of you. Go. Go. Don't have they all try, you go try with me now. Me bang bang you're winning. You decide they waste time. You wasted time. Ima woni munye ko yo me gbikin because of war Mary. Imunya no kekele no palo. Ewe gbe me boya to le gbe. Are you crazy? Are you mad or something is wrong with you somewhere? Is it because I'm keeping you quiet? Do you want me to flog you spiritually? Who we more spiritually? If you will be physically, I will beat you spiritually. Then you will know why they call me the names you'll be hearing about me. You think it's easy? This is my 25th years in abroad. Well, why is it? May not back up good with social media. The talk it's easy. I know what it takes. I'm not those touts. You dare not come. Don't shift in near me. Shift is the codo. But oragele many Ivie Eriyo. Or you will bo. You know when more till where. You know when do a more bugbear. You go down. Awe ama. Yekewe ama. Me and do boy with Canada. Odono deno. Eo uture. I know we advise you wukwe. I advised you. Let this matter be. Since you say you're not doing, you say you be Christian. I don't want you. You say you be Christian. No God juju place. That's it. You say lie. Boy, I say what to come and he go down. Ne. Ave video ni yamuga. He has it all. Ofiara gagi anu yata we a Christian we wa mo Bible go bok no akadi with any. Everything right here. When you are the prayer, please go and manage your uhuni of your way. Manage your uhuni of your yege. Why are you uhuni yege? If not, what damage yege? Why are you yege? Okay? So when you crack home, because that video really paid me yesterday when that boy cut that video set out for me, say, women, thank God you realize the time. Me, my dear, measurable, are you crazy? Who drive be menari as them? Who women there? Who women no book by the meeting? Every man of what Giobono no bore and no bono buff can be naked. Go and ask. A women now benaya lobe. Women want to see me fast. Go and ask. Nobody no only live no winning error. Error every social media in my mule. Every rag baby every day or a brassel banu does your back. You crazy? When money where they were. Thank God. When it came anyway, don't leave me. Let me go. He will win. I've told you time will take number that you have won this fight. Take. I leave it for you as a go pet. Let me remind you. Remember, I'll be still not the bass money. A bone had been all maybe no. If you like, cry me a river. My baby boy in the go see well at the house one vene. Everybody go base. We have here where men mat. Women go mat. Ya no. Egbeni kere. Men the mat. Women the mat. Egbeni. So don't just go play. So when you are very begging the whole social media can bear me weakness. How I've been warning you, begging you, stay your day. If you don't see that my relationship they pay you, come back. I go accept you. You see me not they talk about you. All about money, but we're gonna get relationship in me. Or Bugwevie, where are they? Why do you remember working? You get a lot of Monica. Oh, I said, Tiago. And if I buy, if I pay who not in Bamekwa, who come in Noah. And what's up? May you go, but not so you don't go play. No, use me play. And don't say to work with you loud. Where with you? Well, what time in Canada would you Canada? When you come down to Nigeria, I will fly with you. In the world to remind the joy, my better twin me. You are too mean. Who can be my way about big body. In the me go bin na ugbe we my soup money. Everyone in the silver me go bin na. E ogwe na ti okpa ama we no ya gba viva o wezoa me we lebure we neti pa me we lebure we neti. You know the stuff I'm made of. You know who will back cook. You play with fire. You know the stuff I'm made of. That is why the few time you be with me, I never disclose my real self to you. You don't know me. I never trusted you. I see you as a spy. You want to tell me? I saw you as a spy. How dare you? Where is iye-eki? Where are the Edward? Isn't that what I told you? Ever since I will be talking, no. We haven't been talking. So what's eating you up? Why do you not want to let go of me? Every minute when you are on live video and you scream, you are, if you are there, you are rather a no wegbe. A no wegbe ya be no wegbe. Ya no. Ya never need sick mirror. You have someone where no wegbe ya be no wegbe. When my be na me, don't roll race with me. Don't do it. Don't even try it. That boy ni it's in women. No say boy ni test 100 in one kid. Even that melele here, you don't know the stuff is made of. So don't even go there. Memory maladia, but you will soon know who is who. You will soon know who is who. And I will implicate that boy in any reason. You are drag a boy in the you don't know me. Because I will not tie record here. He keep paying. Yeah, drag a boy in the when I'm dragging you, I will drag him with you. What a mess, Nehuemu. You are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Every now and then you jump from one live video. Do you see me jumping from one live video to another? Edi agbe ariwuna. Edi agbe ariwuna. Do you very often bone ariwuna wa? Ya ariwuna do rewe 10. Before I can sleep, it's 12 o'clock. 3 o'clock, you your rene. Wa zoa. Yije mu wa vi sokene mu na we di agbe. Emi logbe. Gwe emi luzebu. Wa riyo khoy. Nehuemu. No ma kena mu jeji. Take time. I want to share this video for me. Take time and stay out of me. If you don't, you will sit your seat. One minute, no homie you will Di mogeles you we are your double. Awe ama. Iwe mi anu do gbolo tabra me. We money we are here. Uture. Ebo so just say no. Tuture. We lao, eri ono, eri owu ni we manye o, manye na we do we manye we man, do we ma we camera down. We we camera down. Owu we, what about so amebo wa ya si en egbo. Hishini, owu ebo no amo si gbe. Ina wo ke hiamu. Gbe odo eboro pa we mo mi wa happy me. Okay. Since what wa ya si en egbo. You say what wa ya si en egbo. We ma had me we to we amebo gbe. We matter met with him, but not attention we were Bolomegadi and Nube. I'm away as swantation in it. Oh, every day who are you doing bahum? When ya said, but he are less what Tim Papa's call, Tim Mama's call, and ya boy. I will so beat you. Oh my God, I do a bottle here. I know the gun, a gun hole. I am no name you were married. Do you back? Evanaji, when you have a young about bed, while when you go about, I begin with him when your toy. But to we are begging with him with your toy, or in a female way. Where we to boy him with your toy, we, my white and my mock because I want to agree that the young as a man from Victor, we are sorry no way. Today we are in good terms, we are playing, we are talking. You can see that. Yeah. You may agree. O ma say Mwakobo, o ma say Fetnera. Owo wo ga kokowe agree. You will win. Wo ga say go win yari like agree. E be de no wi owo wo we me agree but the keke wu na my work you may do bobe wo no na. This is my last bed that's nothing less than 10 million naira. Nothing less than 10 million. Only bed. You see, sometimes when people are not in your life, it's even better. It's better you are just alone. Don't keep friends. So that you do your things. People don't have to say, Nobody. He said, I was the one who give you the first 500,000. The first 500,000 naira for you to go and start your business. I gave you that money. Am I lying? My head will ask you, Wumi and nowhere. Women or nowhere. Almost to nowhere for national peace story. You go in to marry me. Fake a lot. Fake a lot to worry me. Without money. Una said they be sitting go without money. But did that in my head way? Let me leave your matter on here. Let me go to where I'm going. So let's talk about Odionriri. Although, like as I say, I don't know that woman before. So when I see the video where it's okay, Akabama do Akaba, it does like me. Never pressure, no, never pay sleep. The webo after 20-something years in abroad. Or my winner, the no la webo. Ununa wa fear gamele la video. Gagbo na agbo we tobolo no bucket no boloba. Edi agbo we DJ. It's okay. No vi daosa. Egbeni wa fit to go because egbeni we reject to go. But you work in raje or ti ugbe di mo fi wa ni. So as I go for salary this thing, I can say she do one video. That video, I want to list me analyze that video small for now because you know when they talk, they go no say that today they help body, but they go they advise you say me do one, and that's what they advise you put. They no go do one. Why they talk this thing? Oh, they go there. They will regard the lamba. Lare so can no be akaba. So can akaba. La lare be akaba. I can even know me monomure. Wana me monomure. Sister no your well legbo. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Gege. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Hey, it's okay. Wana me monomure. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Gege. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Oh, it's okay. Wana me monomure o. Omo ora gbo ya teno. Gege. Sister no your well Libya. Wana me monomure o. Sister dipoti. Omo ora gbo ya teno. A dipoti is okay we bo ma blow. Ama blow we bo ni won ya ga re yen blow yan wa. Ore ije ma blow. Ije ma make. Then na then ije ma make even ije so ma make. E o in the social media. Anyway, make us stop. No so do so ka tell you. Ya saga merere we. Isala kwa anyway gwani. Anyway tani ele me ho. So we will listen to what she talk. Wait to me I fait pour volo. Mona listen.
As he dressed rich, she go just come on just like that in this 2025. That was her to listen. Wait there.
I feel pity for the woman. I really feel pity for her.
Then I do drag a bit of good at Mafia Day. Mafia do choke una. One with squad or where you line. Please power tap to this video, guys.
This video where she dey talk so, she dey talk about Goldie and not know that woman. And this woman, Odionriri. Say Odionriri and this Goldie, they be tight friend. They did the same meeting, they did the same everywhere. I won't hear what they talk about at the Bob platform today. So bless says this Odionriri get many goddaughters. Here with the egg boom and webo. And what you will be. Oh, what but a collar. Why call why yaro? Why kosha? Make una de sofrio. Unza eno buken uweke oji. Why ko ave kola? What a bandi what filameo? Or when I between 24 hours. Or when I velajavi bia. Ninyave iwanilele Odionriri hiya wada fiya ya veladia ba esaga hiya upi ena kemio amiyede de igbo mamo ma be social media na gwamana lawa esage no swabe okun esage oya asa mostly wa ni ye no mu ye do ria no mu ye no mu ni do gbotso ma be social media na Wa begin wa sonia. It's tone by tone. Ala kamo jori. You get 10 years to call I woo. Me my will boy. Oh, you know it. I'm your bonny madam. Ganya, I beg your sinne. I got the button of phone. Pagbero. I'm not the button on your phone. Pagbero. No man will and one gun will say yes. So, my lovely people, Unado, we will continue. Share this video. Let it go viral. Oh, I'm waiting no time. Make I the shake my time because me, I give me things to do. I give me it today. Yes, committee to do today. Okay. So now she analyze him. Let when she hear said the woman die. Oh, to oh, body, oh, tillo. She don't run. And can I video? When I say this woman, where die so, where it pass so, when I know what happened to her, she won't go tell us what happened to her, what it by her. It's okay. When mana any. Eh, no, any. I feel left you for fear. One not bad. Eh, yeah, mama will have me not bad. One thing I love about the woman in question who has issue with this woman was she has no God. She came to fire altar, which is NSPPD. If I didn't make deliverance, God will praise you. Let's listen. Then, as Ojiariri second time meets the Murphy come and say, this woman, this Godin, Miss Godin, her daughter. You na Ivie Eriyo, you na hold your na woka. I beg. They said the matter where they social media so say that from Victor the saga that woman say na God carry the matter go give from Victor. God because say he no know one, he no know two, she no know one, she no know two. So now this Ojiariri say she want go swear for God. They say now God because they collapse. They collapse. Una go here what done yo. Say now you what she go swear next by her. But not be who there they go. He get where they go for this matter. He get what she talk. Where she herself no agree do. But they go there.
Todo yana warila yana bike no se we kiki no rame yana babilane di mofi. So watana eme no lolo. Iri ami onu. Iri omo mi ye lati. Iri omo mi ye yonona. Iri ami kompari yanjo. Ya mo ebo utedu. Ya to tedo bayari o te wori. Ya mo ebo. Ya be ke ba bayari o tigbo. Ya be degbe ke ba bayari o te Yoruba Jebu. Ya be degbe ki Jebu bayari o te ye ba yo te Nigeria re yari Ghana. Ya be ke Ghana bayari Togo. Okona is a name imagwa na kapos. You need mo fina ta Ivie Eriyo. They know you are we are major or go to 6 feet. I'm when la the social media. If you are near a lady na baule on how to hear my Murphy. This man was online too that very day. On how to hear or is it a pana we mo so you to so to na be to mo boy line Ned Murphy. Or him mo boy line Ned Murphy na wa are line up na be to go kan we. You know, it's Murphy akabe money e go ene ukabe ku yen ye gan ana we human trafficking. You're more available, so you to give by any noble. But now you want you to tweet. So, but when you
now, listen how this late Ojiariri say put native doctor for line with the Murphy, say she want go Lagos for Goldie. Say na Goldie carry him matter come social media, can't give her the Murphy, can't give her from Victor. So now God because say she don't know one, she don't know two. Even all the secrets, everything they do hide, 2 of them. She says Ojiariri narrates all of them, give her the Murphy that day. Now the Murphy called a beg and say, yeah, no verse, forget this matter. Because this woman now say she not be she do one. Okay, where would they go?
love, eledina ekuri na lawo na rabo ye ekuri oviye no ojiye zirane yeki ya ona do igbeji yawo na lawo oviere gimera ekimeji ove miere yawo social media na ona be do shiyeze era ojan riri ojan we yin na gawo kan na kawe wa ri yon gi vieva lawo ona wawo Anita Manaewe. If I guess please power tap to this video, guys. Power tap to
Must there power tap? They say you message that they say you hold your live screen. Enter house. Lagwa. Isoke novia kaba. Lagwa. Lagwa twa mwegbe lagwa. Eba na do kwigo. The power tap gonna do tower tap chabisha wa sharp in name what Get inside.
this video. Rewe bare tion e mare ya a pole dinario wa in London. Ya sela dia. Ya gbe e ya u ya this
You hear say na Ojiore call it the Murphy say anywhere he dies she gets a cabin crew where the go gonna beat Goldie, do this one, drag her for UK, bolo drag now the Murphy call the beggar say I beg forget this matter. Audios God say not be she do one. Now it's okay. What is okay? It's okay. Akaba they talk now. They talk so. Even you know where no you know nothing. Taxing. Tana. Tana. You know where no you know now. They talk so. You know where now where would they go?
Just say ipana wa head down mo it's your chiwana inaga mewe o manana o mani egbari e o mono wa get ka mo wa ki eture wa ya lele gbina be London wa se aye o twe wi ye on leti aya mo ebo ya o ma ekero yan na ya ti ebo we no ya ti ebo so fa we na ga isu ni obi ye ebo no erere ki no mo egi e bi to lo we le bi to agbe we wa ati ebo kiyan but ye no any owe ma eva we went to be at but any time to be at social media as we near a lady.
When I hear this part first, I want clear this part. I want bring in the one way happened to them too recently, the Murphy and Isoke Akaba. The one way happened to them recently. Now I want talk. When you know the drag power. Drag mama Melissa. Who na go swear? Who she name na go the mess? Even till now, I say they swear they measure these people name. Now you they tell the both they tell or you already say even though say you want go swear, may go swear. Who carry a matter? Come media. So and the Murphy, why not go swear for who carry on a goat? Say. Who carry our God? Make we not mention anybody name. But today to tomorrow, since 2 years now, I see the measure say, na God's power, na mama Melissa. Nobody see the measure. So, you don't know what they pay me. So that make me, I they fear people when not they fear una. Amen, mommy. You understand? Amen, mama. You understand? Why you not go swear like that? Say people will carry my minaga na swear go. Why you not go swear put like that? Say who has carry my minaga and you condemn go. Why you not go swear? Why you see the measure God's power, measure Mama Melissa, measure Mama? To them when you even talk, you see the measure the insult that woman when senior you, even senior your own mother. That woman there abroad, he carry children from Nigeria come abroad. Your mama come, he nothing bring rats, he nothing bring the broom, he nothing bring the shigum. Your mama na the deportee. Your mama na deportee for abroad. You forget. You go set it back on a bed. Oh, but I said, if you worry, Ori ju wo mo gwere ni. Iju wo ma se ti gbazana mi gbe. E di agbo wa mi ye gospel wa di gwe to lo lo to no ma se gbara. Ije na mo da na si atobi. O poko ije ni je. Wa je gospel wa ya di jouer. No boy vieke. Obi ju gwe vieke, obi ju gwe la lo. E di obu gwe veje. Obu gwe vie poto. Ama wo bi ju o vie ha. Iju eri ewe bo ma make ma blow na we gbe na deport stay deport iju e. Okay, no we akaba. La wa for national pistol. Was there we di mo finia gwa on we do ya tiebo. If you want go swear, make sure go swear. So I mean no make sure go the name put. What be say that bad thing no. You they have vice person like this now. Yeah, why you not do the same? Why you not do the same? Me I tell me we more leader no lead wire. More leader no leads. Other follow and lead and lead other leaders. What the hell? Let me go Tanania. Why you have done me? I see the listen. More are coming. I see me cafe break this one. I break all this bone. Make she they see her. When she did like that, when she does smoke, go for the fear. And I mean, like I don't condemn. I don't condemn. Are you working? No, you have never worked in this country, even to contribute to the economic of Germany. Never. But you have benefited from German government. Right from your senior son to the last born. Since you come this country, your hand not touch ground. Since the both you use the brother and wife document carry you come this country, your hand not touch ground. Your hand not touch ground. You know contribute to this economic. As this economic will perish. When the economic is not strong, he said, "O man, we have shish in only by pocket and even the movie back. Or any carbon or a pocket one. Why va? Why me go worry a pocket one? A pocket as ever now. Why marry Rojo? A door is shining. Mister, a door is shining. A door is shining. It must shine. I think it don't shine now. It's shining. We all of us go shine for his side. We go shine. Nobody go feel push anybody come for that building because a door is done for you. Narcissistic boy, social media president, OGT. By WhatsApp, give me love and like. Share this video.
I don't know. I say 1 month. I wait 1 month. In your melawari. In your very no lolo movie. Yan kissing with a tea phone me. Walking, yan we are Rochelle hospital. Wow. What did you see? Wow. Now, my good one.
All right. She said, no lolo. I don't know her. Sister, don't vessel. Any going on. I get son away. When social media, my social media, everybody's have right to his opinion. Opinion may can give. I'm not doing this video because I hate you, because I love you, because you are my sister. No. I'm going to say it. Scale of reference equal. You will not let them judge because you will judge. So I'll see. In case you not me video now, I am not doing it because I hate you. I am not doing it because I like you. I am not doing it because you have anything to do with me. Never. I don't have any issue with you. But I'm going to cane it the way it is. Don't matter, but I am happy for you that you are on your feet to speak again. This is all I have to say. And I thank the God of the fire altar who have bring you back to life, not human being. You understand me now? Okay, thank you. You understand? So, why I'm doing this video is for you to also sit down and stand thanking God. Eroy, the God of our journey, who have brought you back to life, who have not let the head to receive your body. Now listen, see, you see this a what being human being where no touch ground. I will wonder, say you would associate yourself with this, okay? She's a bad reference. Yeah, I will tell it to you. Oh, man, away. She is a bad reference. Ni how we wa ko here say a secret way and wa go and autopay. Hallelujah. A secret way and wa go so can akwa go dogbe maybe of a me kere bo maybe or even wa va ya dey oh we save away. We wa fi na we wa do fear she don't control waste tongue. She got nothing to offer. You see this matter? She is implicating the issue the more. Nobody knows what's by her for the now. They have not dragged her out. Nobody has come out to come out. The family member have not come out to tell us that yes, of a truth, maybe it's the swear that she went to swear that by her. You don't know the cost of her pass on. Please mute your side, my sister. Thank you. Sister Mommy D. Yeah. Okay. So, when I see this message today, I can't help. I say, God, how can you just come out and start saying all those things? Oh, thank you. Thank you. How can you? I was forcing myself not to really talk, but I couldn't bear it. Now you are advising somebody when you are here, but you should go and lay a course, but you should not mention this woman's name. The same thing was, that's what the same advice I give to you. If you know your God is missing, go and swear and forget about it. Swear. Say anybody who enter your house, go carry your go. Swear and let them go and let God be the judge. But you refuse. And the same you telling Odioriri to go and swear not to mention God. I call it names now. You go mention it, but Miss Godi. You see? Oh boy, bueno yariabe. Who that is making judgment will never judge against himself. You see? You see where it lies. Pick sense and leave the nonsense. Let's go. Yeah. She now later said that when it come to a day, Mrs. Godi fell down at her workplace. She collapsed. And nobody knew what was wrong with her. She was rushed to the hospital, and all the professional doctors, all the necessary doctors, they check up on her. They discovered that there was nothing wrong with her. You know, sometimes your mindset, yeah, they said best friend, a PA, has another PA. When I have a best friend also have another best friend who she's talking with. That one also have another person who she's talking with. There might be a link. Look, those people are together. There are some things that will come out on this media today. Yeah, I can personally come out and say, you said it. Yes. Something like people don't know me. Everything they be talking about me on media, they are all fake. They don't know me. I don't make friends. I don't keep friends. That is for nobody. I have my children, my siblings, and my friends. I don't keep extra body friends that I discuss my life with. Never. Apart from one of my daughter who was with me long time ago, all the way from Italy. She's here now. Those are the people that knows me. Any other person that don't know me, they can never. So anytime something came out, I can easily point at a person and say, and did not discuss this thing with any other person except you. I will drag you. Maybe you were I tear. You don't go tell another person don't go tell another person don't go tell another person. The thing go, they roll, they go. So if they go swear, who talk, who carry and come out, who gist, who you follow talk, who be your another best friend, where another best friend, another best friend, who you follow discuss the matter. Now so you to the by person, the one another one, yeah. Then the other fault can also be coming from her herself. Maybe she see discuss with another person where she must know. That one go see discuss. Breeze go, they breeze and they go. All the best friends, they go, they get best friend, they go, they go. More will listen. That's what she call go they faint for work. That's what they call the see coin. What do you call the make and they faint? So if she was innocent, why was she fainting? Because they said the woman carry me go everywhere. Carry name. See, I'ma feed don't be a mindset. Maybe her mindset was like her mind was judging her. I tell person, the person can go tell another person, oh God, oh, but don't be me tell from feet or sha, but maybe I tell somebody. It's a link. It might be truth that she was not the one who took the matter to Frank Victor. She might also discuss it with somebody else, who somebody else discussed with another person. But God have decided to show you mercy. Doesn't mean that you are the one that take it to Frank Victor. I am not your midst. I am not denying for you. And I'm not saying you did it. You see? You know why? I am not your carcass. I am not your carcass. So I cannot say you did. Did you not did it? Did you did it? Or did you not did it? When you did it, you did it. When you did it, the means you did it. Okay? Let's go.
Mama, for 2 seconds. What's a tip back beer in the Awuna? What's a tip back beer? Baba, you tip back beer. You what back beer? What day? Around the hospital, so near why even the hospital near Muyari, a daughter of a mammy.
Now, as you all can see this, no net, no, they no not can't tell. Imagine here, money. Now, so the woman no coffee get up. Now a pack out tell him now say, you go fit get up, make him perform rituals for you. Oh, abonoma me negbe, aboni kyoya. So what make bet video ni? Oh, according to that woman today, according to her testimony, it come to a time when she now said, I give up. Even we are no that way. That for what say very young. She never said where the move yourself in young. She never said so. If she have said so, if Edmurphy has such a power that you are claiming, if Edmurphy has such a power, he could have been able to make the people who carry Eminaga to confess and say, this Eminaga go, na me carry. If your husband has such power that you are claiming now, claiming glory of which power? Let's go there.
Hospital London, the just get the day. That's it. You know, we are begging you are to take us on. Oh, so what? I will not do it. We are to back when the power we are. We, Yamalish, Mamma Bagby, another Bagby, you tell me, Yawa, Yagia, why do you indicate Bagby?
What? What? You know the Aproko? I feel that the water me look better.
Tell me. It's on a line for the do all this is so.
Nobody is know we sit tired.
I know you say Yahweh Zessi. After all tea ran. In a work in a way, Mudiam. Every log lalo, every log away. Any cat can know a Polybania Tiani. It's social media president. Iye ajo owi ekwe. Iye ta wi ekwe. Iye ate binamata. Iye chani ye make peace. Iye leta we get wa yaku. Se we get no we ya de go di le jagwe.
Okay, here I come again. You people were begging her. She said no. You people even tell her, say, remember the time when I take play. Remember the time when I take play. She said no. Remember the time when she take back gold in that shoe. She said no. Why was she buying her good? Why was she buying her things? Why? You yourself, do you remember the time God's power was playing with you people? Do you remember the time Mama Melissa was also there for you? Do you remember the time these two people were there for you? When we were begging people to let this matter of Emina, Ghana, Swina, so go, to go, you said no. So Oruwagbe is in your body, it's in your possession. You see this mindset. You know, I don't know what people they sit down and listen to now. I blame these people. When they will just sit down, they'll begin to listen to nonsense. Make them hear me. If not besides I listen, I can say, me go listen. Where? This advice when you they give so. Where you say you no go agree. Now you they advise another person, make another person do. You beg una see una. Una see una. Me tell you when I do live video. I said this your minaga suna so go. I said go sweep it. No make sure people name. So that the juju go quick find person with cash. You just go there say juju when you sabi as your husband sabi na you sabi. As your husband sabi so sabi the juju. When you want to save God don't give testimony today say nah God nice save and God of NSPPD. Go and listen to the testimony. Say big testimony. What a slap on your pekus. Because I was just lying down trying to sleep. I couldn't sleep. I never experienced it. I never experienced it. I couldn't sleep. Hello.
Now good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Good evening. Good morning. Depending on the time, I beg you. Our fans, I meet all of now. Now me they talk. God will bless you, sweet mother. Now me they talk. You job your for one of the nation. Show your location. Una do well. Mama with this house, Papa with this house. Wanna know everything. I just love the way you just. I know say you understand everything. Me, I don't see do my video since. I don't see answer all this question. I bet the question when you go help me answer now. Now the advice where she did advice so the thing where she did talk now I will reply am for. Why you know say they go fit go swear when that person say not be you, not be you do the person.
Yes.
They say. Person can't thief their gold. 5 months, they tell him now say, he not go swear. He not go swear. And then he asked the Murphy say, the devil Aproko say, why they can't go arrest where my son go prove he innocent? Why they go arrest the native doctor?
We don't ask them more.
When they watch the videos, she they talk now say, you know, good better they do bad against another person children.
Yes.
She they think now, you know, good. When person beg you for something, you go leave her. This one now we not beg her. We got proof innocent.
Okay.
My son say he no pay. We got proof innocent. That the husband, this husband and wife, jobless, useless family. They say they not go take her. The native doctor now. When my son, when I help me ask so Mama G,
Mommy.
Baby mama of my son, transmitter. I beg, help me ask something. Why her husband can't go to police, go arrest native doctor? Now dear my son go prove the innocence.
Okay.
Why they can't go force the native doctor? make it cause the cause for them. If they really sure say, now my son think they are good.
Okay. Okay.
Make na help me answer.
We go ask her more. She don't hear. Okay.
Gino.
So can we akaba? No we akaba. So can we akaba? We mount and no we na.
If I cannot be akaba, rejected daughter. Oh, the dog. Mona help me answer mo say, why till now? The husband in Nigeria now. They said let's go palace. He never go palace. The husband in Nigeria now. He never come out because the time when they shot from September to January last year. They say they go 50, 25, 50 native doctors. They go carry a couple for Facebook. We never see anyone. And the only place where the Murphy go deny, God say make they recourse the cause. Now there is still saying swear. But if they answer say who you want swear for, you say you don't know who thief the gold.
Okay. Okay.
I said to your mama, if you want me, I send that to you. And the Murphy talk out for native doctor place, that place, the same place. The same native doctor will petition go arrest. They still out for 2 days. God use his brother Dennis in the house and name for June 5. Arrest the native doctor first and say make him write and sign. Say you will record the cost. Well, not the native doctor swear for you. Now who you lie against, now he swear for you. If you not say the Murphy is strong as he's strong now, when if he stand for another person, why he not just move up? Why go because
let me they talk so. Since he get power, the Murphy get power like this. If you not say the Murphy get power like this, what are no use and take prig who carry on a God? Go where they put on take him.
Until now, we don't see evidence. I know they have evidence every day. They don't bring evidence. They say the government to give them the picture about some months ago. Say they don't know the person. Make una bring her now. They don't bring her.
Mommy,
now you say what did this woman do? What did you know where person not get forgiveness? We don't go ask your God. Just like say we will ask you for forgiveness. But you said you just come out, you mention innocent children name. And now you take their picture, go native doctor. Your mama. Now what you come out for una man say na native doctor tell you now. Now if your husband strong like that, you not go fit catch the person when if una good. When the husband and you not go pack sand for right front, right back and this thing. No, I still pack sand. Make una take swear. As una take pack sand for this lolo na take save am.
No, Lord say not be he save am o. He say not be the save am o. He say na God o. That one don't give test. I go play now, mommy. You listen. I go play now.
I say if they say the Lord not say here now. Now if they comment now say now true you talk.
Allah. No lie, that one don't go on that platform. Go talk truth since. He me hack me ya.
He said okay, now me come and say, I better help me to thank God. Not so Peter bo. Now thank you go thank him say. Now we not say is there no waiting that they do. They not say that they get forgiveness. That they not say that they lie God's person. That they not say. You know who make God they swear for innocent person.
Yeah.
So he know, but they do it to another person, children.
Yes. Mommy no wala.
Now his son, he tell Mutia, where they buy, whether or not get sense, jump come. Now let them Mutia come out for them. Now let them Mutia come channel for the TikTok. Then they take the word. That one saying be wish. All of that they confess that they come accept wish now. You understand? That one say he be wish. He said the day where as you they analyze this woman, so where the child, those way carry your gold, now so we'll go analyze their matter. I say amen. Amen. I don't tell them today say they go now you tell Mutia. I happy say they say make they give you 1 year. I bet not every day pray for them, make they give her 20 years, even a permanent, make they give her for documents. Make it for see document, they buy ticket, go 7 market when I go. Make it go tell they say, this woman, I remember this woman wait on shop for market. Now true, I begin to go to me, I go still pay for ITV, make it go video there, make them not spend money. I go pay.
That's so.
I go pay. There's the Murphy. They go palace. I hear for rumors they go now say they don't they beg some chief, they don't they wakala with the brother with the Bible. Make they go beg or monopaneto, make it carry Murphy enter palace. We don't hear I don't talk and say I make the palace to accept them. Make it for go inside palace, go swear Wamba.
Diana, mommy, not worry. We don't go ask him. Man, no, ya bon. Come on. Where's the G? Okay, he's calling. All right, my lovely amazing people. I'm sorry for the breakdown. That is our mama. Who be that again? Hello.
I haven't just see. I have see.
Okay, oh, my okay, no wala. Let's go on.
Oh, even the yachi wena.
Oh, see, no wala. Oh, talking. All right, my lovely amazing people. I'm so sorry for the breakdown. To our mama, mommy, mommy, God's power. So let's continue with our relaxation. So me, I don't know say it's okay. No be akaba. Ereva bio akaba keke vidausa. Boy, Ivie Eriyo. You understand me now? So now you go there analyze and say, Mama, say may we ask you. So at the both you get that power. Not be even Mama, na me they ask you. Now I no fit trace waka go where una good day. Or that I no fit forgive. Or that I no fit swear. Say anybody will go carry my goat. See what you go meet them. You see, you have judged this yourself. The more they go, more listen.
Mama migo na ya fi. Jere wala lai. Rado disgrace in social media. That is all. Mama we force everywhere. It bag me. Rado bag me. Pana we die paka. Paka na ya muli kuto. Rado we die paka pana. Why tiari pao one say. And the muffin a great man. Why you tile?
Good way. Shut up your mouth. Babunu we. I the clapper when you Deutschland. You cry. Always and the clapper. Babunu we. Gunwe. And the muffin a wish great man. Now enough no say. Well, when you are in Sota. Oh, ya when you savano fifwa. Eh? And the muffin a when you Sota. Why are when you Sota? Do not get Benny. Okay. Oh, not get Benny. I'm a when you Sota. Beat husband, bitter. Let's go. They can say make it go carry sand for front, carry sand for backyard, carry sand for left side, carry sand for the other side, pull sand for side water, make she take bath. If she's innocent, she don't even need to do all those things. Mistake can be done. She might also discuss with somebody, like as I've said from the beginning. She might not be the one who bring this matter to Frank Victor. She might also discuss with someone else. So, or she might not be when the cautious, go and ask. Okay? So, at the moment, if you get this power, take some stuff for front, take for back. You know, this on the toilet. If you wait in a man, no, the woman said, but the mafia got your body can ya 1 year reason the baby can right. Okay, there's something that got beg the woman. The other woman said, no beg, she no do. Nobody said it happen for your gogoro goso. Mommy Philo say, he know they beg. He want God prove herself innocence. He want God prove his son are also innocent. Say, Obimengo Bobo. Honor Jackie 7 market. Go to the palace. Go to extremely end to prove the innocency of her son. You say la la. You say la la said both in a great, powerful Juju man. Now he opoa. I see him. Now he can go both in get power. Now he can go meet TikTok obo. TikTok obo. No TikTok obo. Once more boy say Bible ton. Now we see remember Bible ton. That's why they see the boy. He quickly delete that big boy video that time. Okay, now we they go. After I don't collect this water, the woman not see stand up. No, la list.
Comment? Are you going to oh yeah? But on a no day or had the very soon. On a no or had a very soon. Don't mind my window, Mamma can't take it on an idea. Don't want to learn my word of very good. And which is on my own lemma one almost to your entire. At the escape. At Upia Tovepo. Again, it's not a person lolo nani metana. It was 2023. That year when I do birthday.
Hello. So it's a Chinese meeting. See your mom mute. Mommy 50-50.
I checked every door is locked. I think maybe everybody went home already. Yeah.
Mommy 50-50 muted boy. Yeah, what the fuck you work move?
Everywhere. Oh, okay. Yeah. Where are you going?
You disconnected radio in more so that my making a say I have to bring that down. You understand? The same you. This is where we are. This is where we landed. Yeah, let's go.
Stroke last year for the current house. So, when I back baby, Malish, not the back baby, not the Malish. Cool, not the Ari back, but I get back. I have to lick any baby. Ari Yokowa, but any Mautana, I'm saying it public. I'm not ashamed. I am not ashamed to tell the world I love Jesus.
God, I beg. God help me. God help me, I beg. Jesus. Where me? I'ma get back here.
I'm not ashamed to tell the world.
Where can I your second name is disgracefulness and shameless. That is life, give them a shout out. Sister Eunice, I give you shout out. Thank you so much. Sister Eunice, thanks. This ice is sweet. Ororo ye gageka. Oh gaga fierane lele. Oh fierane lele ya. Oh wokombo no ma bien egbe. Oh bonu kyo ya. No ma ni mo ya la wa do vie gogorogo e. O ma ti sunu ye wani do vie we mi. Oh we ya gbale resla.
We be na boleke ipaka. Wa bi ai ti ari yoko wa no se yin no. Epoleke ipaka. Why ti ari pe fun wa na we epoleke ipaka. Why ti ari pe fun wa na we na ai.
Now give me star, give me video. Video when you video Mary we say.
Osalo kwa jane. No eti ya tebe no se. No eti ya kawe.
Thank you, Mama Eunice.
Wow. Except that you know the mafia ori egbejo. Except that you know the
mafia. Madam ho ro no tie. Abudane.
Oh, ti akawe. Yeah, well on our leg governor like a party ni really be na a party ni must win.
What?
Except that you know the mafia ori egbejo.
Ororo.
Except that you know the mafia ori egbela.
Ororo.
So, il m'a mis ça. Alors, on les rend. On blessé. Moyen.
Oh, if you go not be wrong with what ya, who will what try? Oh, what do shiny? Oh, but let's go. Oh, why ya? What that thing? What the one money? Oh, when the two people would be loving next. Why am I quote in Nigeria? Why am I to not trump more quote? We're not a foreigner who do not trump with a bed. There you are, Boa Boloa. Oh, that's woman I quote do not trump with a bed. And when I don't not shine, oh, that's why we're both boy and I'm your passport. And I'm your document that you like, we're both, or we're both one of them, you're born on me a bay. And from Edo is not shining to Edo is shining. Yeah, we're down. Eh? If he did it there, he did it there. It's not gonna be a kabak. Oh, the mossy bike man can't be no carriage for you. What you want, Bozina? No, what scatter. Jose, don't you Boze? It is calamity. Iye Boze, yevo. It's a canoe kaba. It's a canoe kaba. What it Boze? From a door is not shining to a door is shining. I'm better for a passport. When I walk on that way to the webo. I talk even in a bill. I back book. I go. All for 30 don't go here. Paragraph 21 here not go. Paragraph 21 or go to Murphy. Paragraph 0 go where. No yale le ya here. Article paragraph. What my gbemara soke? Article paragraph here in the soke. I make an emoji. Jesus. Anti-cape paragraph or go soke. Don't be a cap. No yale le ya here. Ayam.
Kareme yo nawe. Oye boke same yo kameni vu. Weto buwe le munu wegebe no anai. Ona yawe. Etagbi no lolo nas for me power. Eti bata. Eti jana ta. Oh God. Mama we. Mama no.
Imwe wa vu wa na imwe. Imwe vu wa na. Eso kan fi mwere a.
No wa pa ya gbori na. Opo ke ade.
Wabure Edo is shining. Edo is shining wabure. Soke, no via kaba wati wa gbozena. Why was zekewe kona. Why ga zekewe kona ba? E no ma bo wo e ma ya. I been here. Edo is shining. Oh, is the Kevedia no was 21 million ya kwa de wa gbona pagbe. Go and listen to the testimony. Anyway, Kevedia. Me ak boni mana pe we we part 2 wa kwa. Because when me ajibu na me ya kwa obewe we. Edo is shining. O ya kaba. Obe awo manke benwe. Deti je dross bonya. Ya, det ni mana ye dross na ni o se ye ti pagbe. That is why you dress the bonnet yak back when need my cabin. Pick up a magic back when I go make man. So, what my setting is Zekhanian, one is some bad one roy. No, many no show a video. Well, that's what you notice. Oh, no, while I walk, while I don't know, lesson. Oh, wow. No begging on it like what we were. Let's continue. You are watching.
I wait baby call. Twice. No, you are going to I feel any get by away.
Or do you really feel did or do you really trust something to your husband? I said, or do you know cannot they do something bad? I really have issue with Viatinho Woni Eba. A Godi, but when you any at here. Where? Si Viatinho Woni Eba. No, do you really know our boy? But you have Godi and you when you say, what gene me man, ya will be taba. Yeah. Now you are not telling us where all you and Owoka don't do something against each other. That woman was not having anything against of your husband, the Murphy, aka social media president or GTA. He was not having any issue with her. He was only having an issue, grievance with Godin. Like she was the one that bring this issue to Fravito. And that one said, no, I wasn't. It was a misunderstanding between them. Not a misunderstanding between her and your so-called husband. Oh, what make Benomuri?
You know that woman now, take care of you. You know that woman now, take care of you.
What you take care of you? Buy spiel. Where a Godi, a baka well. Where Godi gele with baby on it. What will you take care? Oh, you know, we go what take care. Very matter, say, woman now to Sajona Bolo. Why have what take care of it? Where, is it not the same thing? And where me wona ya konya guy. Amagi eden rubo no Godi gbasa no ngwere la dig gbasa. Ah? The same issue is now on your table. You are not bending it. You are not be going. You are not be going. Ah! A woman anywhere after she have done all those things, that she was still collapsing. When I go no go, we are now collapsing. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama Eunice. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Are we never collapsing? Are we never collapsing? Are we never collapsing? You're never collapsing. You're never collapsing. What is the Kevin Barra, the Kevin Yoko, the Kevin Zekona, the Kevin Zekona, Tonoto, Ona ya music palo no one of you one mona yakwe. They work bona work back. Chai testimony in Meonsi. I'm gonna maru. So, that's where what you want to see palo if you want me. I many you work with. Oh, one of them if you want me. Now make you work with where I beg one all our wife very good. Let's go there.
What are we saying?
We are saying it already.
Nothing. But she not the body. Except that you must marry a bejo. And you must be a bejo. Okay, no. I know any but okay, no. You go nowhere. You go nowhere. I will say we are doing another one at all for body rich as he dress.
No, the year matter. Egbe water time winner progressive union. In winana, in winana, no. I so much thank God for this video with this or me do or more than me wago video na. So he not share. Who will he coming man where you are not telling us that all the sweat that you already want to go and lay cost on Godi or the term sweat that by already. You are not happy. You are not celebrating. You did not even know what by that woman. She might also drag the wrong people. That is why I will keep advising you people. Do your findings very well. Because I got to abogi wata wulele. I mean the talker. Do your findings. Because a bomai no nyae. That is the truth. That is why as this girl don't push me rich, I for don't go carry juju te naka. Naka bako. But I look at I'm a magbo jason. Dorin way. That is why. If not, for don't drag you, pure your body. Pilam. 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 Do your findings and know when to stop. If by speed, for instance, say of a truth, say maybe now those is what she go do next by her. When did they tell her say stop? If she has stopped, but she feel that all this power, how will I put this English, this dramatical English? She possessed. I believe that was the main reason why she was doing all that. According to you people, I don't even know her. You people say she possessed so much powers from the voodoos, from the jujus. And you're not telling us where the mafia went back to send that girl not back. Hey, Sablo, papa. Aye, everyone. So kakabala who the way video or asona worry. Ma keep no. Or do you already make a mistake in office of her life? She's no more. Anybody that she have dragged to anywhere, she was waiting for them to fall down. When you don't do right, this is social media era. Everybody needs to do the right thing. If you don't, when they drag you here, if you like go carry juju, so juju there. It will not, because this is social media era. Gone are those days, even the juju, they catch them and come flog them anyhow for social media. You know they say, they flog juju. They flog juju. Carry juju call you will flog. Even aboki, they go now, they pick people juju for backyard. The juju not the kid. Will go sell them artifacts. A whole artifact of the Ezekiel. Aboki go carry them. Landlord go begin the fan, or juju they go. Aboki why ya do a go landlord the name of Ezekiel. Or when you tell where are you condemning? No? Aboki viokba. Oyahin. Ebonage, onawa game, onawa mukba. Now tomorrow I go come play that. May I see whether I'll feel play that woman or that her testimony today. When me and I like when person they talk true. When you are saying the truth, or when the truth shall set you free. The truth in you set you free, imagine. Set you free. Please comment. Give me star, give me love, give me like, give me anything. Give me lion, give me tiger, give me uzokbo, give me ethnic guy. I like it. Me, I look for that video. Let me look for that video. Because I was there. Let me go and breathe. Let me see if I can find that video. Okay, let me go here. Let me see. Yeah, mama. Well, worry. Why me testimony? But you don't react like 10 minutes. You don't react like 10 minutes. Yeah, let's see. This status. Why is it the one? No. Yeah, give me a shot. But no be okay. Let me just go to pages. I show it. Yeah. When my bonogba show bonogba. When you listen to that woman testimony small. And small, I want yours to play small. God damn it. I just small, I want you to play. I see what I was saying for you. If not now, tomorrow, yeah, I'm worried. Big later. Scheiße, wo bist du denn? Das geht überhaupt nicht, warum nicht? Oh, Scheiße. Okay, Mami, mana. Come video ni nesi. Iwa to ta iwa se to dan wa watch video ni. Ni do pe test na baby me it is 10 minutes. Oh, okay. Oh no worry. We'll leave her for tomorrow. Yeah? May I first check this one. Will be a good day. Wait. You work with here wo kekan no here. Because if the testimonial lawa no taban you we no naban for where who goes there? You know the blog. Ah, chai. Every man go pay me sha. I will find out down tomorrow, so I'll come plan for now. What will that be testimony of the highest order? Any eternal, iye-eki, oko, just the play. Let's say I read YouTube. Yeah, what's YouTube? Panewa miwa. When they teach you though. Soke akaba. Belekwa. Wene logo. Hareya. Pireya kugbe.